Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. It is the fresh start of a new week. I hope you guys make it a great week. Today I am bringing you guys my spring 2022 decor haul. Now I did already share a handful of things in my last shop with me video that I had gotten for spring, but I have a handful of things again to share with you. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this, but before we do, I just wanted to say that if you are new here, hi and welcome. My name's Tristina and I'm a stay-at-home mom to two little boys. I love everything that has to do with homemaking. Making my house a home is just so special to me and I love doing everything that comes with it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this haul. We have Target, Hobby Lobby, a couple things from JoAnn's, one thing from TJ Maxx, and one thing from Decor Steals. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Target because that is the biggest haul. And let me just start by saying, Target is killing it in their dollar spot for this season. I feel like before this season, I had been struggling to find things in the dollar spot for like a good year, maybe even 2 years. I feel like their dollar spot just hasn't been pulling its weight like it was before. I used to find things there all the time and they are back to having super cute items, which I love because you can find decor for such a good steal there. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Most of my stuff is from the dollar spot, starting with this adorable little riser. If you've been here for a while, you know I love the wood, the black, and the white. Just all those neutral tones and like bringing in like the earthy tones and everything like that. So the first thing is this wood riser. This was only $3 and it is so cute. There's also risers that had a white bottom and there was risers that are a little bit larger than this one that I believe were $5. These are just so perfect to go ahead and put anything on, give it some height, add some dimension, all of that great stuff. So I grabbed that little riser and then I also grabbed this cute little tray. This is a round woven tray. It's got the black intertwined throughout it and there's also a white version of this as well, and this one was $5. This is so perfect for so many different uses. It would be cute just like standing up behind decor like the cutting board back there is, just to add again some dimension, some texture. Just to really keep your eye moving around looking at all of the fun and pretty things. But this would also be fun on a coffee table. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to use it yet, but I just love this. These would also be great hanging on your wall for a basket wall. So for only $5 I had to pick that up, and going along with this whole black and white theme, I love it. I grabbed just the set of 2 cooking utensils. This was $5. It's got the white and black design here on the end, and then of course the wooden spoons. Yeah, this one and then this one. I loved these. So these are $5 and there were little mini ones as well that I didn't get, but I'm kind of thinking I want to get them now that I'm looking at these. So super cute just to add that black and white pop into an area. And then I picked up this adorable little watering can. I thought this was so cute for only $5 in the Target dollar spot. Just so adorable. So stemming off of that for a second, I also picked up this watering can from Target. Now this one's not from the dollar spot, this is from the Hearth and Hand section, and this was $14.99. But just for a comparison here, these are literally the same size. I mean, this one's a little fancier in the way that the handle is and everything, but the actual watering can is basically the same exact size, and there's a $10 price difference there. And that's just what I mean. If you are on a budget or trying to stick to a budget for a season or whatever, the Target dollar spot is a great place to go for some super cute decor. $5 for this little cutie. This will look so cute sitting up on the hutch, even placing it on this tray on your coffee table or something. Like, so many different cute things you can do with that. And so then I did also get, obviously, this watering can. I had been eyeing this one for so long online and I haven't seen it in my store at all. And then one day I was browsing and it was there, only one of them. So I definitely impulse bought this one. Like I said, it was $14.99, but I do love adding some pops of gold into my decor. And you can really never have enough watering cans for summer and spring. Like, put them everywhere. Put them everywhere. This would look super cute hanging off of like hooks, if you have hooks on your walls or whatever, with some different gardening things, or like a little basket with some plants. Oh, planning my decor as I talk to you guys here. I'm so excited. Later this week I will be doing my very first spring decor decorate with me video, so I'm very excited for that. Back to the dollar spot, I also picked up this little, what are these things called, water mister. This was $3. Just so cute, matches just so perfectly with all of the stuff. And yeah, I just think that will be cute sitting somewhere for some extra little decor. And I love that you can decorate for spring in such a super simple and neutral way. You know, just adding a watering can or a little water mister or something so simple into an area gives that section like a pop of spring. And I love that. So moving on, I also grabbed these stackable bowls. Okay, for one, these bowls would be great for charcuterie boards or, you know, for regular like dipping reasons. If you need some ketchup, if you're having a barbecue, you can put this, you know, on the table so people can put their whatever dipping sauces in it. So great for actual functional use, but also this will be so cute sitting out as a little decor piece as well as a functional decor piece, which I always love. So this was $5. It comes with 4 bowls and the little holder. And then the last thing from the dollar spot I picked up is these little picture frames. So what I love about these is the artwork inside. This kind of artwork is like really in right now, and I love that this is just a little pop of it. I think these will look super cute on my shelves in my living room for that little touch of spring again, bring it in without having to completely change out your whole area. So these were super cute for only $5. Last thing from Target that is not from the dollar spot is this set of dish towels. So I plan on going pretty neutral for my spring decor, but I also really love this pop of like the seafoam green color. I think it's so pretty, and so I think this will just be a pretty little pop of color. I'm probably going to add also in my kitchen a rug in front of my oven that will be a little pop of color as well, and so just to have like that pop of like really in your face spring, I thought this was really cute. I love the little animals on there, the little chicken and the bunny, just so adorable. And this was, I believe, $5. The price isn't on here, but I think it was $5.99 if I remember correctly. So that is everything from Target. We will move on to Hobby Lobby now, where I got another dish towel. So I actually picked this one up first and found the Target one after. And originally I was thinking, well, I'll just return this one because I like the Target one better, but I think I'll keep them both. You can really never have enough dish towels. So this one is super neutral and cute. It's just got the bunny and the egg and these little detailing here at the bottom, and then your pot holder. And this was $9.99 and then 40% off. But I thought that this was just adorable with the little bunnies on there. And then, so this guy, he was at Hobby Lobby last year and I never saw him. So I was so excited to find this little cutie this year. I am just obsessed with him. I love his glasses. I love the chippiness on him. He was originally $21.99 and then 40% off. And yeah, I was just so excited to find this guy because like I said, I wanted him last year. I think pairing him next to some old antique books would be so darling. So I was really excited to find this. And then lastly, from Hobby Lobby, I picked up this scale. So not much to this other than I am obsessed with scales. All I have right now is, you guys can't see it, I have one like brown vintage scale on the top of my hutch, and I really wanted a nice light one, and since I don't find myself finding a vintage one anytime soon, I just picked this one up. It was $49.99 and then 40% off, which is why I had been kind of putting it off for so long. I've looked at the scale multiple times being at Hobby Lobby, but then finally I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. Like I said, I've looked at it multiple times. I love it, and it'll be so pretty with spring decor, keeping it nice and light and airy with the white, and then it's got like this florally detail up here. Super pretty. So I finally picked this up. Okay, now from Decor Steals. If you haven't heard of Decor Steals, they are an online website. They get new products every day. I think it's 3 new products every single day they put on their site. It's always $5 flat rate shipping for each item you buy. They also have the Decor Steal box, which I have showed you guys before. I love Decor Steals. They always have very unique pieces at a pretty good price. So I picked up this sign that just says fresh cut flowers, and then on the bottom it says stems, blooms, seeds. I think that this is so pretty. Again, it just goes with the whole wood, white and black that I love. It's gonna match so nicely with all of my items, and I remember seeing a sign like this last year that didn't have the wood around it, and I just love this. This is also only like $35, somewhere around there, between 30 and 40. I think it was like 35. And I remember looking at one like it last year that didn't have the wood around it that was much more pricier. So yeah, as soon as I saw this, I added that to my cart and got it. It's gonna go on top of my hutch, I believe. And I just feel like it's such a pretty neutral statement piece. All right, moving on to JoAnn's. Now I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I might have another haul coming up with more JoAnn's items because, oh my goodness, I hadn't gone in there at all until just the other day I popped in and I was like, why have I not been in here? I always forget that JoAnn's gets such cute items. My problem with JoAnn's is that they're pretty pricey. So unless things are on sale, then it's not worth it to me even to go in there. So when I saw that Easter was 50% off, I did go in and I picked up a couple things from the Easter section. I could have went way harder, I won't lie, but I only got a couple things, so go me. First thing being this cute mug. Oh my goodness, how adorable is this? I already have mugs like this on my mug rack in my kitchen that have like this pretty little detail here on the bottom and are kind of the same color. So when I saw this bunny one, I was like, that is the perfect addition for Easter. This was originally $12.99, expensive for a mug, $12.99, but it was 50% off, so it was like $6. I think that this is just so cute. So I had to grab at least one of those, and then I grabbed two of these little carrots. I think they're so cute. Okay, I just picture like having, you know, I have like this big ceramic bunny and I picture these just like layered in front of him on top of the hutch or something. I don't know, I think these are adorable. They come with the little hangers on them so you could also hang them, but I think just laying for a nice layered effect will be so nice. This larger one was originally $19.99, so $10. And the smaller one was originally $9.99, so $5. So I spent $15 on these two carrots, but they're so cute. I just love them. I could not pass them up. And then lastly, I went to TJ Maxx and just picked up a new table runner, and I found this one, which I am again obsessed with. I'm like genuinely so happy with everything I bought. I feel like sometimes I'll jump on things because I can't find it like one I really love right away, and a new table runner is something I knew I wanted, and I just love this one. It's gonna match my spring decor perfectly. Again, the browns, the blacks, the whites, it's just everything in front of me just matches so nicely, other than my one cute little bright kitchen towel. But this was $16.99 from TJ Maxx. So that is everything that I got for my spring decor haul this year. Like I said, there might be a second one closer to Easter. I don't know for sure yet. I'm gonna decorate for spring first, and then we'll see what I might need to transition spring to Easter. We literally just got a huge snowstorm here last night. It doesn't even feel right to decorate for spring, if we're being honest. But this week, like I said, we'll start my spring decor videos, and then I'm not gonna add Easter in until like the last week of March. So I mean, that's still right around the corner, but it just gives me a little bit more time to kind of get ready for all the bunnies while I am staring at a snowstorm. So hopefully by then the weather will start to warm up a little bit. Good old New York for you. You never know what you're gonna get here. But anyways, that's kind of the plan with my decor. So I hope you guys press that subscribe button and stick around to kind of see how everything comes together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item from today's haul was, or let me know where you have found some super cute spring decor this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!